Sandy Ridge, Mrs. Moore here, taking a little walk with my pup. Listen to the birds chirping. Can you hear them? They're our inspiration for today's drawing. We're going to be doing some cartoon birds. Just some fun ovals and awkward shaped circles and some little toes hanging onto a telephone wire. So enjoy today's drawing. All right, so today's drawing is going to be a little bit more cartoony, a little bit more fun and simple. Again, let's get that nice middle of the paper. Nice and easy. Put on those guidelines. We're going to be working horizontal today, so we want to turn our paper this way. So the first thing we're going to do today, we're going to do some birds, some silly sort of cartoon birds sitting on a telephone wire, because where do birds always sit? On telephone wires. So right up here over by the edge first, we're going to start putting on our telephone poles on first. So we're kind of just sort of some soft edged skinny rectangle like that, right? Nothing too perfect. You know, telephone poles are made of wood, so they're going to have some bumps and some edges to them. All right, and on my other side over here, same thing. Put on sort of we're bringing it right up to about that halfway line. All right. Now let's get just some little bumps and some knobs on where wires are connecting. So a little loop, couple little circles. Get our little poles going here. And then let's just put on some fun swoopy lines. Connect from side to side. Like that. All right, now we got some wires. So now let's get some fun, goofy birds right up here in the center. Maybe some looking at each other, one looking backwards. We're just gonna get some nice big birds up here sitting on this telephone wire. And it's okay if they look a little too big for the telephone poles anyways, because this is sort of a cartoon image. All right, now that we've got those wires, let's get some of those fun birds on there. We're just gonna make some great big fun shapes. I'm gonna start with I don't know, just a big, almost like one of those little bubbles you see when someone talks, right? And we'll put some, maybe just a couple little fun tail feathers off the back like this. And we'll go ahead and add a big eye, a little baby beak, and we'll get some fun claws, getting little birdie feet down on that wire. Little circle right there. I think he needs a wing. Like that. And he can be looking at, this bird over here maybe. Just do a big round circle here. This guy will be facing forward. He's looking this way. His little birdie friend. Maybe he's just got some little wings over here. Little beak like that. And maybe we got another bird over here coming in for a landing, right? And maybe we got another bird who's flying in to join the party here. So let's just put him on nice and light. Kind of a circle up here. We're gonna give this one some big eyes. Nice big beak. Give him a tail feather off the back. Wings in motion. All right. Maybe he's looking down, trying to see where he can land. Birds can be any shape, really. There's just some silly cartoon birds. Different ovals and circles. Clean him up a little bit. And there we have it. Birds on a wire. Let's add some color. Actually, I think I need maybe one more little bird up here. I think I'm going to do somebody upside down. Do like a little upside down teardrop shape. Give him some big eyes. Maybe this bird's got like a little crest on the top of his head. We'll go ahead and give him a... He's looking back up at the wire. Give him a little beak like that. Get his little feet on here. All right. Let's put his wings maybe out from the side. Like that. All right, I think we need a little wood grain over here in our telephone pole. There, I like that better. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and Sharpie up my design, Sharpie over those pencil lines. If you don't have a Sharpie, just use a black crayon or a black colored pencil. And then I'm gonna add some marker color today. finished my birds and I colored them all in. I thought, you know what? There's something a little off about that green bird and the whole picture. I feel like I need a little balance. So I think I'm going to go back and put some big tall fail tethers on my green bird, and maybe that'll give me what I think I might be missing.